My name is Christoph Giesauer. I'm CEO of the Deltabus GmbH in Austria. I spent my whole life in green energy and environmental solutions. Now I think it's the right time to implement all this experience, what we have gained in the past, in the new big challenge which is in front of us, automotive industry for green energy. To my person, I'm graduated as a mechanical engineer and I spent my whole life in green energy, environment solutions and various big projects all over the world. Now we take all our power and experience what we have gained into the Deltabus GmbH, which is an architecture of mobility for future solutions. Now we are starting a truly important project. We feel the demand for real eco-solutions not only in Europe, but everywhere around the world. Therefore, our mission is to help here and right now. But what we have done so far? We are using the philosophy of best practice. We have collaboration with our strong partners, such as EBusses, who changed the traditional approach to bus manufacturing and revolutionized the concept of robotized factories. And Blue Solutions, who made a huge leap forward in their amazing, innovative LMB batteries technology. And of course, our brilliant partner, ZF. Everybody in the industry knows them as a trustworthy company with an excellent range of products. Such support, we believe, will bring us much closer to our main goal, helping everyone to become more concerned about our future, which already belongs fully to the e-mobility. So major climate change, large fluctuations of the fuel price and the trend towards lowering harmful emissions lead us to the need for new types of vehicles. So, let us proudly introduce you our electrobus, which will be manufactured in the heart of Europe, lovely Austria.